Choose the correct answer. In one given, the process of breakdown of pyruvate molecule to release carbon dioxide and energy occurs in option A given cytoplasm, B given mitochondria, C given chloroplast, and D given nucleus. So right option for this question is mitochondria. In question number 2 given, sphygmomanometer is used for measuring. In option A we have blood pressure, B amount of oxygen in blood, C amount of glucose, D amount of urea present in blood. So right option for this question is A. To measure blood pressure we use this instrument. In question number 3 given, the nature of image formed by a convex mirror is option A virtual and inverted, option B real and inverted, option C virtual and erect, option D real and erect. So right answer for this question is virtual and erect. Convex mirror always form virtual and virtual images are always erect. So C is the right answer for this 3. In question number 4 given, a series of web-like muscle contraction that move food through the digestive tract is called. In option A given transportation, B given transpiration, C given peristalsis, D given transmission. So right answer for this question is C. Peristalsis. In question 4 given, refractive index of water is 1.33, then the speed of light in water will be. In option A given 1.33 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In option B given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In option C given 2.26 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In option D given 2.66 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So right answer for this question is option C. 2.26 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We have one formula, n equal to c by v. You use this formula and you will get the answer for this question is 2.26 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In question number 6 given, the type of mirror used in torch is option A convex, option B concave, option C plane, option D none of the above. So right answer for this question is concave. Concave mirror is used for torch. In question number 7 given, the largest gland found in human body is in option A given liver, option B given gallbladder, option C given small intestine, option D given pancreas. So right answer for this question is option A liver. And in question number 8 given, at what position an object must be placed in front of a concave mirror to get an image of same size of the object and of real nature. In option A given at infinity, in option B given between pole of the mirror and principal focus, option C given at center of curvature, option D given at principal focus. So right answer for this question is option C at center of curvature. When you will keep object at curvature, in case of concave mirror, then image you will get at curvature, but the nature of the image is real. Now we will see for question number 9. In question number 9 given, the power of a lens is expressed as in option A given P equal to 1 by F, option B given P equal to F by 2, option C given P equal to twice F, option D given none of the above. So right answer for this question is option A, P equal to 1 by F. P means power of lens, F means focal length. So formula for this is P equal to 1 by F. Now in question number 10 given, which of the following is known as the cellular currency of energy? Option A given ADP, option B given AMP, option C given ATP, option D given carbon dioxide. So right answer for this question is option C ATP.